Welcome back to the Power 5 Stocks of the Week for the week of October 23rd through October 27th. Every Friday at market open, I will uncover the best dividend stocks in 5 key categories, which are the highest dividend yield, the longest dividend streak, the highest dividend growth rates, the best 10-year returns, and the stock trading the highest percentage off other 52-week high. What makes this video different than others on YouTube? Well, in this series, I only feature stocks with a minimum dividend streak of 5 years, outperformance of the S&P 500 over the past 10 years, and all of these stocks are going to have an ex-dividend date of this coming week.
Any questions?
Remember, it's always very important to do your own research before investing in any stocks. Now let's dive into this week's list and see how my simple filters help me narrow it down. Starting with only 28 dividend stocks slated to go ex-dividend from October 23rd to October 27th, I face the challenge of finding the real gems in this pool. First, I set the bar high considering only stocks with a dividend streak of at least 5 years. This filtered the list down to a more manageable 7 companies. But I didn't stop there. I raised the stakes even further, demanding that all the remaining stocks also outperform the S&P 500 over the past 10 years. After all, we are here to make the most money. When the dust settled, only 2 stocks remained, a mere 7.14% of the original contenders, which is where my research really began. Now, let's unveil the best of the best. Kicking things off with the winner of our first category, the highest dividend yield, we have Fastenal, stock ticker FAST. FAST is a quarterly payer in the industrial sector, paying $1.40 per share per year, with a forward dividend yield of 2.33%. FAST has been paying and growing their dividend over the last 24 years. They have a 3-year dividend growth rate of 11.93%, a 5-year dividend growth rate of 13.26%, and a payout ratio of 65.58%. At the time of recording, Fastenal was trading 1.33% off of their 52-week high. Fastenal has an ex-dividend date of October 25th with a payout date of November 24th, and a $10,000 investment into Fastenal 10 years ago while only reinvesting dividends since then would have brought back $32,541.50, which is a 12.52% year-over-year return rate. That's compared to the S&P that brought back $30,299.90, which is a difference of $2,241.60 on the side of Fastenal over the past 10 years. And because I only had 2 stocks to pick from this week, we're already down to the last stock. This one was greedy and took the longest dividend streak, the highest dividend growth rates, the best 10-year returns, and is trading the highest percentage off of its 52-week high. Before I get to that, if you're enjoying this content, a quick click of the like button helps me continue to grow this channel. And if you're passionate about dividends and passive income, consider clicking that subscribe button as well. I post these lists, monthly recaps, dividend interviews, and other special dividend related content at least twice a week. Thank you for your support. And now let's dive into this last stock. This week's stock that's been giving out awesome raises on a dividend they've been paying forever, outperforming the market, and could be at a good buying opportunity is Lowe's, stock ticker LOW. Lowe's is a quarterly payer in the consumer discretionary sector, paying $4.40 per share per year, with a forward dividend yield of 2.25%. Lowe's has been paying and growing their dividend over the last 61 years. They have a 3-year dividend growth rate of 24.55%, a 5-year dividend growth rate of 19.98%, and a payout ratio of 30.59%. At the time of recording, Lowe's was trading 17.48% off of their 52-week high. Lowe's has an ex-dividend date of October 24th with a payout date of November 8th, and a $10,000 investment into Lowe's 10 years ago while only reinvesting dividends since then would have brought back $47,679.41, which is a 16.9% year-over-year return rate, again compared to the S&P bringing back that $30,299.90. This is a difference of $17,379.51 over the past 10 years. In today's video, you've discovered 2 remarkable dividend stocks with impressive track records. These stocks not only boast a dividend streak of at least 24 years, but have also outperformed the S&P 500 over the past decade, and they have an ex-dividend date of this coming week. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these stocks piqued your interest the most, and what got you excited about that stock? Thanks for watching, and until next time, see you.